chosen ones. Your life is a magnet for blessings. This powerful belief forms the foundation of a philosophy that inspires countless individuals to unlock their potential through the law of attraction. This approach to living suggests that everyone is destined to attract abundance and joy, emphasizing the power of self-love, positive affirmations, and the conviction that you are deserving of receiving life's riches. Today, let's explore how accepting this mindset can guide you toward a path of abundant blessings, creating a life filled with happiness and satisfaction. The law of attraction is a straightforward yet profound universal principle. Like attracts like. It suggests that the thoughts and emotions you nurture can attract similar circumstances into your life. This principle underscores the importance of aligning your thoughts with your desires to attract blessings. At its core, the law of attraction works through the energy emitted by your thoughts and emotions. If you focus on positivity and prosperity, you naturally draw more of these elements into your life. On the other hand, lingering on negative thoughts can trap you in a cycle of undesirable outcomes. Think of it as sending a constant signal to the universe, specifying the types of experiences you want to invite into your existence. Thus, mastering this law starts with transforming your inner dialogue and emotional states. Effectively leveraging the law of attraction involves more than wishing. It requires a clear vision of what you want, emotional alignment with that vision, and the belief that your desires are attainable and en route to you. Visualization is a powerful technique in this process. By vividly imagining your life as you wish it to be, you strengthen the energies you aim to attract. This mental imagery should be detailed and filled with positive emotions, crafting a complete scenario of the success and happiness you envision. While we will look into practical applications of these principles, including how to use affirmations and nurture a belief in your inherent worthiness. The journey through understanding and applying the law of attraction isn't just about achieving what you desire, but evolving into the individual who thrives in that reality, fully accepting and living out your destined abundance. Affirmations are simple, positive statements that can help you to challenge and overcome self-sabotaging and negative thoughts. When you repeat them often and believe in them, you can start to make positive changes in your life. This principle is key in using the law of attraction effectively. Affirmations reinforce the belief that you have the power to attract what you desire by keeping your focus fixed on positive outcomes. Begin by identifying areas of your life where you seek improvement or change. Craft affirmations that resonate with your desires in these areas. For instance, if you wish to attract more prosperity, your affirmation might be, "I am worthy of abundance and success." The repetition of these words helps to embed this belief into your subconscious, slowly altering your mindset and consequently your behavior and actions. It's important that these affirmations are stated in the present tense, as though what you wish for is already your reality. This helps to create a mental environment that mirrors your physical reality, drawing your desires closer. Visualizing your goals is another practical technique that complements affirmations well in the law of attraction. Visualization involves creating a mental image of yourself, achieving your desires, and experiencing the emotions associated with that achievement. This practice not only aids in maintaining focus on your goals, but also intensifies the emotional resonance of your desires with the universe. To practice visualization, find a quiet space where you can concentrate without interruptions. Close your eyes and imagine a scene where you are living out your desired state. See yourself in a scenario where you are enjoying the outcomes you wish to attract. It could be visualizing a new job, a loving relationship, or personal success. Feel the joy, satisfaction, and confidence that come from achieving these goals. The more real and detailed the visualization, the more effective it will be in aligning your energy with that of your desires. These techniques of affirmations and visualization are powerful tools for manifesting your desires and should be used consistently for best results. They help to keep your mind focused on your goals and align your emotional energy with that of the universe, thus drawing your desires into reality. Recognizing your inherent worthiness is crucial to effectively using the law of attraction. This belief in your own value allows you to confidently assert that you deserve the blessings and success you seek. It involves understanding that your worthiness is not conditional on external factors, but is an intrinsic part of who you are. To cultivate a sense of worthiness, start by shifting your focus away from self-criticism and towards self-acceptance. Acknowledge your strengths and accomplishments without diminishing them. Remind yourself daily that you deserve happiness, success, and love just as much as anyone else. This mental shift helps to reinforce your worthiness in your subconscious, making you more open to receiving the blessings the universe has to offer. Letting go of past limitations involves releasing the old beliefs and past experiences that hinder your progress in manifesting your desires. These limitations often stem from past failures, negative experiences, or false beliefs about what you can achieve. Holding on to these can block the flow of positive energy and prevent you from fully accepting the opportunities that come your way. To release these limitations, begin by identifying the negative beliefs that are holding you back. Once identified, consciously challenge these beliefs by questioning their validity and replacing them with positive affirmations that reinforce your capability and worthiness. Practicing mindfulness and meditation can also help in letting go of these negative patterns. These practices encourage a state of awareness and presence that makes it easier to release outdated beliefs and emotionally detach from their influence. Gratitude plays a transformative role in the law of attraction, serving as a powerful channel for attracting more positivity into your life. By focusing on what you already have and appreciating these gifts, you send out vibrations of contentment and happiness, which in turn attract more reasons to be grateful. This cycle of gratitude and attraction forms a positive feedback loop that enhances your ability to manifest blessings. To integrate gratitude into your daily routine, consider keeping a gratitude journal. Each day, write down at least 3 things for which you are thankful. These can be as simple as a sunny day, a productive meeting, or the presence of a loved one. The key is to genuinely feel the gratitude as you note down each item. Over time, this practice not only shifts your focus from what you lack to what you possess, but also aligns your energy with abundance and prosperity. A powerful technique in harnessing the law of attraction is to live as if the blessings you desire are already a part of your life. This approach involves behaving and thinking in ways that reflect the reality you wish to create. It's about aligning your everyday actions and choices with the outcomes you expect to see. By doing so, you not only reinforce your beliefs in the possibilities of achieving these goals, but also signal to the universe your readiness to receive these blessings. To practice living as if, start by considering how you would feel and what actions you would take if your desires were already manifested. For instance, if you aim to achieve professional success, adopt the habits and demeanor of a successful person in your field. This might include dressing the part, engaging in continuous learning, and networking with industry peers. Adopting these behaviors can shift your mindset from one of aspiring to one of being, thus attracting more opportunities that resonate with your envisioned success. While we end this video of the law of attraction and the path to attracting blessings, remember that the journey is ongoing. Each step you take builds upon the previous ones, creating a continuous loop of positive energy and manifestation. The key to sustained success with the law of attraction lies in persistent practice and a commitment to maintaining the positive habits you have developed. Keep refining your techniques of affirmations, visualization, and living as if. Stay mindful of your thoughts and emotions, ensuring they align with your desires, And most importantly, allow yourself to receive the blessings that come your way with gratitude and openness. The universe is abundant, and its generosity knows no bounds when met with a prepared and receptive spirit.